Owning a home is one of the most significant investments many of us will ever make. But simply purchasing a property isn't enough to ensure its value remains high over time. In fact, neglecting regular upkeep can quietly chip away at your home's worth, potentially costing you thousands of dollars when it comes time to sell or refinance. The good news? With a proactive approach and a little consistent effort, you can prevent your home from losing value and even help it appreciate over time. One of the most critical areas to focus on is your home's exterior, starting right at the top, the roof. Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. Even minor issues like missing shingles, clogged gutters, or small leaks can escalate into major problems if left unattended. Schedule a thorough roof inspection at least once a year, ideally in the spring or fall. Look for signs of wear, such as cracked or curling shingles, moss growth, or water stains in your attic. Cleaning out your gutters regularly prevents water buildup, which can lead to rot, mold, and even foundation damage. Addressing roof issues promptly not only keeps your home dry and protected, but also reassures potential buyers that your property has been well cared for. Next, let's move inside to another vital system, your plumbing. Small leaks under sinks or in crawl spaces may seem harmless at first, but over time, they can cause structural damage, foster mold growth, and even contribute to unhealthy living conditions. Make it a habit to inspect pipes, faucets, and water heaters for any signs of moisture or corrosion. Replace worn-out washers, fix drippy faucets, and insulate your pipes before winter to prevent freezing and bursting. It's a good idea to know where your main water shutoff valve is located, so you're prepared to act fast in case of an emergency. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, your HVAC system, also plays a major role in your home's value. A system that doesn't run efficiently not only drives up utility bills, but can also be a red flag for buyers. Change your filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and manufacturer recommendations. Schedule professional servicing at least once a year to ensure everything is working smoothly, and keep the area around your outdoor condenser clean and free of debris. Not only will this extend the life of your equipment, but it will also keep your indoor air quality high. Now let's talk about your home's foundation. Cracks in walls, uneven floors, or sticking doors can all be signs of foundation trouble. While some settling is normal, it's important to monitor changes and address issues early. Water is often the culprit behind foundation problems, so make sure the ground around your home slopes away from the foundation and downspouts are directing water at least 5 feet away. If you notice any suspicious changes, consult a professional promptly. A small repair now can save you from a major expense later. Don't overlook your home's curb appeal. The way your home looks from the street is the first impression you give to visitors and potential buyers. Maintain your lawn by mowing regularly, trimming bushes, and removing weeds. Planting flowers or shrubs can add a splash of color and make your home feel welcoming. Repair cracked sidewalks, repaint faded trim, and keep your driveway in good condition. Even simple touches like cleaning your front door or updating house numbers can make a significant difference. Windows and doors are another area where regular maintenance pays off. Ensure that seals are intact to prevent drafts and moisture intrusion. Clean your windows inside and out, lubricate door hinges, and check weather stripping for wear. Not only will this help with energy efficiency, but it will also prevent water damage and improve overall comfort. Inside, pay attention to your walls, ceilings, and floors. Touch up paint where it's chipped or faded, and repair any cracks or holes in drywall. Refinish hardwood floors when they start to look worn, and steam clean carpets to remove dirt and stains. Regularly testing and replacing smoke and carbon monoxide detectors is not just good for maintaining value. It's essential for your family's safety. Let's not forget about the little things that add up over time. Replace caulking around tubs and sinks to prevent water from seeping behind walls. Check tile grout and repair as needed to avoid mildew and water damage. Clean your appliances, inside and out, to keep them running efficiently and extend their lifespan. If your kitchen or bathroom fixtures are outdated, consider updating them. Even small, affordable upgrades can have a big impact on perceived value. Another often overlooked area is pest control. Termites, rodents, and other pests can cause extensive damage before you even realize they're there. Regularly inspect your home for signs of infestation, seal cracks or gaps where pests might enter, and keep food stored securely. Scheduling annual inspections with a pest professional can catch problems before they get out of hand. Energy efficiency is becoming increasingly important to homebuyers. Consider adding insulation to your attic or walls, sealing air leaks, and upgrading to energy-efficient windows and appliances. Not only can these improvements reduce your utility bills, but they can also make your home more attractive to future buyers. Finally, keep a detailed record of all maintenance and repairs. Save receipts, take before and after photos, and keep a running list of when major systems were serviced or replaced. This documentation can be invaluable when it comes time to sell, giving buyers confidence in the care and attention you've given your home. The most important thing to remember is that maintenance is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. By staying proactive and addressing small issues before they become big problems, you can protect your investment, avoid costly repairs, and ensure that your home retains and even grows its value over time. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about protecting and enhancing your home investment, don't forget to subscribe. Your home deserves the best care, and we're here to help you every step of the way.